Now I need a bit of silence, gents, please. So, we have our workbook, page 36 open. We have already done this in record book 3. Okay. Now we're going to do record book 1. This is called an analysed cash book. Analysed means that we're trying to put our spending into categories to help us do budgets. So it says, if you look at the start of page 36, using the following information, prepare an analysed cash book for Aaron Jones. Use the following analysis columns. So receipts. On the debit side, we have pocket money and other. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put in here on the debit side, all right, I'm going to put in a euro symbol, so that's money, and then I'm going to have the pocket money, so I'm just going to put, I don't have enough room here to put all of it, so I'm just going to say P-M-O-N-E-Y, pocket money, and then other. So I'm analysing the money that comes in into two types. Everyone look at the screen, please, now. Okay, leave your record book 1 just for 1 second. Look at the screen. Okay, so pocket money and other. Now, his spending, I'm going to analyse it into money. Okay, and then what are the other analysis columns? So I have, it says, it's given the question, lunch, phone, cinema, and other. So I'm going to analyse my money into lunch. What else do we have? Lunch, phone, cinema, and other. We okay so far? Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So now we start looking at the money coming in and the money going out. We're going to ignore the analysis columns just for 1 second. What we're going to do just to start with is we're going to put the money into the debit side and the credit side. So as we did before, we start off with September 1st opening cash. Which side does that go on, debit or credit? Debit. It's plus. So that's September 1st. Opening cash. What did we call opening cash when we did the question yesterday? Balance BD. So we start off balance BD, and the amount of money is 150 euro. The next thing that happened, he bought money in the canteen, 5 euro. Is that DR or CR? CR. He's spending money. So it's, what did we call it? It's lunch. CR, and it's September, what date is it? 3rd. And the amount of money involved is 5 euros. So I'm going to put it into the money column. And I then say to myself, well, what category is it in? So I've spent 5 euro, and this is to do with lunch, so I'll put in the lunch column. Next one, I received pocket money 50 euro. So that's over on the debit side. So we have pocket money. Okay, I would put 50 euro in there. Which other column does it go into? Pocket money or other, so P money, pocket money. And the date for that is September 5th. Okay, so the next one is phone credit on the 7th, 20 euro. Which side is it on? CR side. So we have September 7th, we have phone credit, and we have 20 euro. Where else do I put it? Phone, 20 euro. Then we have birthday money, 80 euro on the 11th. So that's CR side, Jeb? No, it's DR side, it's a plus side. Very good. So we have birthday, and it's September. What date? Birthday money is 11th. Okay. And it's 80 euro. So we put 80 euro there, and we'll put it where else? Other. Okay. Paid for cinema. Okay, so that should be obvious enough. So September 15th. We've got cinema. 10 euro. So that goes in the money column and in the cinema column. Next, we had bought lunch, 8 euros. That's also spending money. So it's September, what date? 18th. Okay. 19th. Okay, so I'll go and change that. Then we have, so it's the amount of money is 8 euro, and we'll put it in the lunch column as well. Purchase school material, €10. That's spending money again. And so it's going to say school material. And it's September, what date? 23rd. And it's in the 10th, €10. And where else does it go? Other. Okay, because it doesn't fit into the lunch, phone, or cinema category that we have up there. And finally, we paid for cinema, €12. What date? Okay. So September 30th, cinema €12, and it goes in the money column and the cinema column. Sorry? Okay, thank you very much. There's a mistake there with that one. So I just go and fix that. And I spot that I made a mistake over there. I put a question mark in there, so I'll just get rid of that as well. So now, is everyone happy so far? 30th. Thank you very much. Okay. So, we now need to go and balance the account. Okay? So, we need to do something similar to what we've done before. We're going to add up the two sides and find the difference. Now, we're adding up the money columns on the two sides. Okay? And we're going to put the difference on whatever the smaller side is. So I'm going to write the words, let's say, actually what I might do is I'm going to put an extra line in here so that I can put all of this in. So I'm putting an extra row so I'll be able to squeeze in my numbers, and I'm going to put the word up here, difference, and I'll have the difference ready to go in. So I'll add up the total here on this side. So everything from the 12 all the way up to the €5 that we have there, I'll add all that up. And then on this side here, I'll add up everything from the €80 that we have for the birthday up to the €150. So 280. So the difference, I'll take the two of them away, so it's 280 minus the 65. And we get 215. So that's step one we always did before. What's step two? What's the next thing we should do? Yeah?
Put the balance CD.
You put the balance CD on which side? The smaller side. Not the right side, the smaller side. In this case, the smaller side is the credit side, the right side. So I'll write 215 here. I'll call it balance CD. And I'll date it September 30th. Are we okay so far?
You need to put that in any column, or do you just keep it?
Sorry, Anthony?
You need to put that in any other column, or do you just keep it in the...
I'm just going to put it in the total money column, okay? Because this is dealing with money. These other columns are dealing with categories of spending. So I'm just dealing with money. What do I do next? Well, I did this before.
Find the total on both sides.
I want to total both sides. Now, here what I'm doing is I'm going to be totaling all of the money columns, including the spending there. And over here on the debit side, and again, we're putting these on line with each other, put those over there. So I'm going to have a single line on top and a double line on the bottom for each. Now, I'm only going to deal with the money columns for now, okay? What do I get when I add all of these up?
280.
I get 280 there, and over here in the money column, I get 280 there. Okay? What do I do next?
Put the balance CD.
Balance BD on which side?
The
The big side, not the debit side, the big side. So I'll write the word balance BD. I'll put the name of the next month, so that's October 1st. And the amount of money should be 215. Are we okay with that so far?
Yeah.
And what's the last thing I should do? I total the two sides. So I have 50 here for pocket money. I have 80 there for other. Over here I have 13 for lunch. I have 20. I have 22 for cinema. And I have 10. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
So that's record book.